Here we are climbing up Yellow Pinch Lookout, and it's not exactly a walk in the park. I'm testing out my fitness here, that's for sure. There's in the far distance is Mount Lindsay over there. Look at that wind up there. Maybe a test for the drones. Francisco, the fitness guru, has already got there. But this is the reason for our physical exertion. To make the wrong step. 50-metre drop there. Wind is right on the end of the scale for certainly for flying my drone. I don't know about Francisco, he's got the Evo 2 which can handle heavy winds. Let's see what he says. Francisco was decided to run the gauntlet. Yeah, those winds, but you can see it in those trees. Look at that. The funny thing is, unstoppable. I mean, it must be blowing 30-mile-an-hour winds here. See, once it gets away from the cliff, the wind's better. No, it's the compression of the air next to the cliffs.
Yeah, see, look, how stable it is.
Yeah, it looks a lot more stable now that it's out of the cliff face. Of the performance of this aircraft in the wind gust, that is. I mean, now it's settled down. gust is pretty full on. Pretty horrendous gusts on these gusts. What do you think, Francisco? They'd be 25, 30 mile an hour easy.
Yeah, easy. Yeah.
And the gusts maybe even more.
Oh yeah, definitely. Look at that. Wow.
Oh, look at that.
She's handling alright, yeah.
It's quite scary when you lose a drone here. You've got to say customer all this to drone. This is all national park. You've got a 5-10k walk to find your drone. It goes down over here. That's a 1-day walk.
Oh, for sure.
I want to recover the aircraft back to home. Watch it. Watch. Bang. Roscoe here, and Francisco.
How you going?
And yeah, we came to Mount Barney and went up to the yellow finch,
Yellow beachhead, yeah.
yellow finch lookout, and with 2 drones, and returned with 1. The light got caught up in an extreme gust of wind, and they ended up tumbling over the side of the precipice.
Yep.
And yeah, I'll be calling a mate to see whether he can bring his abseil gear to go down the side of the cliff and recover the drone. But it is thankfully insured in a worst case scenario. But yeah, nonetheless, it's a beautiful spot. I think we just pushed our luck with the conditions. The wind conditions were probably too extreme for the light. What do you think?
Yeah, no, I reckon this wind was just too much for it. Yeah.
Yeah. Although the Evo 2, it's a friggin' beast. I mean, it handled that wind pretty well.
Oh, beautifully, yeah. It was like nothing, for it.
I don't know. We're down in the valley now, and you can hear the wind. Whoop! Get rid of my fingers, but you can hear the wind up there. It's howling. G'day people, just an explanation of what happened up at Yellow Pinch Lookout, and obviously there must have been a wind gust of 35 mile an hour or thereabouts, and it's picked up the light and it's literally flipped it, and then it's tumbled like this down into the valley, and it just simply didn't have any control of the drone whatsoever when it's doing that. But the terrain down there is pretty rugged, very thick with flora, as in trees and bushes, so it's going to be a big task. Well, we've come down the bottom of the mountain, and we're trying to get around to where the drone landed. But have a look at this. All this noxious weed everywhere. There's got his, what do you like to call it, cleaver. But if the drone's landed in anything like this, we have got zero chance of finding it. What's that, mate? Another fucking vine. Oh, another fucking vine. Brown snake heaven.
right, I'll give them brown snake hell.
Yeah. Well, snakes come down here for a drink.
So you got a few new tattoos on your legs and your arms, right?
Yes, mate. I've got. Well, there's
Like cheap homemade ones.
cuts there.
Yeah, your left is a
Yeah,
blood donor's paradise.
yeah. It's been a joy doing pain with you, Forrest.
Done it. Like, I got no scratches. I'm at the front.
All I can say, it's a relief we're not jungle bashing through that noxious weed with prickles and vines and so on. It was an absolute pain in the arse. We come across the Logan, I think this is the Logan River, or the upper reaches of it. We're going to follow this upriver to a clearing, then go back up to the ridge, and then we'll go up to the lookout where we lost the drone. So we've still got a fair bit of walking to do. Ed forgot his gold panning tin. Yeah, probably doesn't get much fresher than this, Ed. Coming straight off the rainforest. Just come away from the river. Obviously that's saying the entrance to the national park. And Ed's over there. We intend to go up to the top of that peak and then walk all the way along that ridge up to the top over there. So we've come to this maintenance road. You can see over my left shoulder is Mount Lindsay, and behind me, because we're right in the middle of down in the valley, if I can get the camera right, it's one of the foothills of Mount Barney. But we're going to head up that track there. We're back up at the Yellow Pinch lookout. Look at the conditions today. It's absolutely dead still. Well, almost. And Ed's got his Mavic 3 out there somewhere. Oh, he's got it above us. We're going to go for a walk down that ridge there and then go down the edge here. Just incredible what one day makes. Sun shines out. My good buddy Ed is down there at the moment trying to find that drone. Drone recovery day. I think we've done about 10 or 15 kilometres of bushwalking down into the valley and up the top. You can see what's it called, Mount Barney there. But look at the wind conditions today. It's quite calm in comparison. Here we are down underneath the cliff face. Get an idea of the terrain.